The crypto market is crashing as we speak. Bitcoin is down about 6%, Ethereum is following as well with 5%, and really the whole market is riddling on with a massive dump in the last couple hours and in the past day. And there's a lot of reasons behind it, but the main thing behind it is obviously all the bearish news that has been dropping in the past couple hours and days regarding crypto companies, or the major companies I should say, and a lot of the major crypto tokens. For example, an article right here, this is simply in the front page for crypto on Google. One of the things is, about Tether. I'm sure a lot of you know about Tether, but there's been a article written by the Wall Street Journal talking about how Tether used falsified documents and shell companies to get bank accounts. Now this is pretty much old news, but it is being brought up and talked about by some pretty big names like the Wall Street Journal. Then you got the 50 billion drain from the crypto market cap in an hour as bad news pile up. I'll be going through this article in this video and a whole lot of other bits of news, including the fact that Binance is in the midst of all this bearish news. And yeah, we'll be going through it all in this video. That news talks about how Binance is a hotbed of illegal financial activity, the US senators claim, and there's a lot to go through. If you're a holder in crypto, if you're investing into crypto, watch this video till the end, as you might want to stay updated, especially with everything that is going down. When it comes to CoinMarketCap, you can literally see here, let's go to Bitcoin, and is a significant price drop from about 23,000. And so we go last 7 days from about 23,400 all the way down to about 22,200, and it really happened in a matter of minutes, and we'll be going through it all in this video. But before we go any further, remember that nothing should be treated as financial advice. Please do your own research. Everything in this video is public news and knowledge and my personal opinion, and should not be treated as any sort of financial advice. But with that being said, if you're new to the Crypto Maxi channel, subscribe and hit that bell so you do not miss any of the future updates we are making. And yeah, let's get straight into it. Now, starting off with the Wall Street Journal article, I won't be going through the whole article in this video, as I'm sure a lot of you are aware of Tether's wrongdoings and why these guys are extremely shady. But pretty much they go through on how Tether used false documents to make shell companies to get bank accounts. They made a lot of different offshore companies to actually get bank accounts because they weren't allowed to open bank accounts for the company Tether. They didn't treat Tether as a legitimate business. And even though it is the backbone of crypto, it is definitely worrying. But yeah, they were not allowed to open actual bank accounts in actual jurisdictions, and they had to go offshore, open different shell companies and get bank accounts to use and back Tether with actual US dollars, as of course Tether is not backed one by one for every Tether out there, which again is a big problem in crypto. And if crypto does end up falling off, it's most likely going to be because of Tether. But yeah, with that being said, the next article is from Finbold, and it talks about $50 billion being drained out of the crypto market cap in an hour. So yeah, as I said, it did happen in a matter of minutes really, but just to round it up, let's say an hour, and the whole market did absolutely crash. And it was really because of a bunch of bad news and PR going around of crypto in a short span of time, right? We got Binance and so many other different companies like Tether and so on that were seeing some bad light. Within a very short time frame, the majority of the cryptocurrency market has taken a massive turn for the worse, losing as much as $50 billion to its market capitalizations in 1 hour of the news of possible adverse implications for the sector continued to arrive one after the other. And it was pre-orchestrated. It just happened so fast, and so many bits of news, so much bearish news coming out. I mean, I say bearish news, we knew about this. This is nothing new. The Tether news and the Binance news that we're going to go through, it is nothing new. It is something that's been talked about already, but it's just being dropped all of a sudden, which is causing a lot of fear in the market. So much more fear than there was already. But indeed, the crypto market's total plummeted from 1.7 trillion to 1.2 trillion in 1 hour on March 3rd, coinciding with the series of unfavorable events, including the crash of the crypto bank Silvergate, which is another bit of news, of course, the upcoming hot consumer price index, and Mt. Gox creditors possibly receiving massive Bitcoin reimbursements, creating FUD. As they might obviously sell Bitcoin in that case for those individuals. That's why it was just a whole lot of bad news and bearish news, I should say. It's not really bad, as a lot of people in crypto, especially people that are investing in crypto right now, they're looking in the long-term benefits to it, definitely not the short-term. So even if there is these sell-offs in the short-term, they're not too worried. Now, specifically, some financial experts believe that the next CPI report of the Federal Reserve's March meeting could indicate an acceleration of inflation by as much as 50 basis points, including a TD Securities, Priya Mishra, and Cetera investment managers Jen Goldman, as they told Reuters in late February. On top of that, many crypto industry participants are worried about the reports that the upcoming repayments to creditors of the failed crypto exchange Mt. Gox could lead to a major Bitcoin price slump, considering that its 2019 balance sheet totaled 142,000 Bitcoin today, worth over 3 billion. Now, we'll stop that there, but you can see here the chart on how it developed. 4% decrease from 23,452 all the way down to about 22,250 in the Bitcoin price, which is obviously a significant dump, especially in the space of 1 hour. It wasn't anything gradual, it all happened so fast. And by the way, I've never even heard of Silvergate and Mt. Gox, to be deadly honest with you, but it just shows, you know, some smaller crypto companies going bust out there is still going to be causing a lot of problems, especially with the fact these guys were holding a lot of Bitcoin. Now, to the final part of this video, where we're going through again, another bearish article, and this time in regards to Binance. It pretty much talks about Binance being a hotbed of illegal financial activity. Now, 3 US senators have written to Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, asking for details about its money laundering controls and accusing Binance of being a hotbed of illegal financial activity. Now, I'm going to be dead honest, illegal financial activity is happening absolutely everywhere, including banks and in the traditional finance system, you know, not even crypto. But is it more regular in crypto? Yeah, for sure. Now it is. But even then, is, you know, just as active in traditional finance. It really is. But anyways, I thought I'll bring that up. It's just funny that everything is happening all at once. Now, according to the letter to Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao, which was dated Wednesday, the group requested details of the company's balance sheets, internal procedures, and any communications about alleged efforts by Zhao to limit compliance. And also, one thing I do want to bring up is the fact things like these accusations have been going about for quite a long time. Now, I'm not even like a massive fan of Binance. I'm not a fan of any exchange. I do think they're one of the more reputable exchanges out there at the moment. That's what I'm going to say about Binance, and it's just a bit funny. The most reputable exchange out there is, you know, being thrown a lot of shade. But yeah, so a Binance spokesperson told CoinDesk that the exchange always responds to queries from jurisdictions in which it operates, but suggested the accusations in the letter were false. A lot of misinformation has been spread about the company, and we look forward to correcting their record, the spokesperson said, adding that Binance.com, the corporate entity, doesn't operate or have customers in the US, unless of course they are, you know, working outside of the US and so on. But yeah, I'm pretty sure, again, Binance is not open for US users, and it's pretty much, I mean, it's really popular, to be honest, around Europe, around the UK and so on. Just in the US, they are extremely picky, I should say. The company, however, conducts its US-related business through its subsidiary Binance.us. So yeah, they have a completely separate exchange for Binance users over in the US. So in response to the senators, the company will provide information to help them better understand why we remain the most trusted platform with users across the globe, the spokesperson added. And that's the truth. You know, if the US really wants to have a go at Binance, in my opinion, they will have to just work with them instead of trying to shut them down, which is what it seems like they've been trying to do for the last couple months, especially after everything that's happened with FTX. But yeah, hopefully you guys have enjoyed this update. I mean, hopefully, I'm not exactly sure how you're enjoying your day after the crypto market crash, but let me know in the comment section down below. It's been your boy Crypto Maxi, guys. I'll see you guys next time, and take care.